What's up, everybody? Lady Locks here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, I pick locks. It's a hobby called Locksport. It's a ton of fun. I show all about how to do that right here on my channel. For the rest of you, today I'm going to be showing you how to get into the Paclock 200K club. All right. I'm going to show you what you have to do so that you don't get disqualified. And then I'm going to show you where to send your submission after you're done. Let's get this party started. You're going to need your vise and lock picks, obviously. You're going to need an Allen key. You're going to need a pair of tweezers, pinning tray, and plug follower, okay? Also, you're going to need the Paclock 90A Pro. That's the lock you're going to use for this challenge. Here is my picking video. As you can see, I am using the key and showing that it works. Make sure it's all in frame. That's a very important, very important thing. Also, you can show the bitting of the key if you'd like, but remember that the bitting of the key does not matter until it does. Okay. All right. I'm done. Okay. I'm going to be using top keyway tension. This is a Z-bar from the Reaper set and my Apex pick. I know you're jealous. I'm jealous of me too. All right. Single pin picking. Yep. Single pin picking. Some more single pin picking. I'm almost done. I promise. It's almost over. Calm down. You can fast forward if you want. Jeez. You don't have to time it. The timer is up, but you don't have to time your entry. I just did that for my own purposes. Okay. Lock's open, and we're going to attempt to gut it. This is where you need your Allen key. All right. And as you can see, I'm having a hard time. Yeah, I'm having a hard time with this part. Yeah. I really gave it a good valiant effort, though. You got to give me an A for effort, okay? I really tried. I could not get this. My hand was hurting. This hurt. Here's where I grab a screwdriver to try to, like, leverage it or something. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't really have any tools here at the desk, so I just used what I had. I just had my gutting kit. That was it. So, you know what? We can already tell this isn't going to work. So this is where I switch over to trying to give that Allen key a good whack, because pro tip here, there is sometimes a Loctite on all these screws and these locks. And if you give it a good smack with something, usually it'll loosen it up and then you can take the screw out. But in this case, it didn't work. Yeah, it didn't work. I really tried though. I sure did. I can't believe how long I tried to get this thing out of there. But you know what? I wanted to get this video done for you guys. I wanted to show you exactly what you had to do and how, to get this video done. But regardless, we couldn't do it. All right. It was an epic fail on my part. I apologize, people. I'm sorry. All right. Anyway. Yeah. I really tried for a long time. Okay. And here's where I flipped the bird to the lock. Very nice. Very professional.
Don't forget to like.
Okay, guys. Sorry about that. I couldn't do it. I couldn't get it done. But all you have to do is gut the lock. And then at the very end, show the pins. Show them up close. Make sure that they see them all. And then end your video and you're done. Submit it over to Paclock and wait. They will get back to you with your results and either your certificate, your patch, all that when it's done. So yeah, this is my epic fail of the week. I'll see you on the next one. Lady Locks out.
Subscribe.